Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to lock home screen layout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, understand that for what purpose home screen layout should be locked. For example, if you are going to the home screen and this is the home screen, okay, now it is not locked, okay. How you will understand that it is not locked? Let's see it. Okay, now I am clicking on one app, long press on it, and if I would like to uninstall, click on uninstall and click OK, and it will be uninstalled. Okay, uninstalled. Okay, suppose if you would like to rearrange this one, just drag and place it in another place, and yes, it is replaced. Okay, so in this way you can do some modifications if it is not locked. Okay, so if modification is done, modification is able to, if you are able to do modifications, then you can understand that it is not locked. Suppose if you are giving this phone to your child or any other person, they may intentionally or accidentally change your home screen layout, and even they can uninstall or delete some of the items from the home page. Okay, so to prevent such damage, it is important to lock your home screen layout. Okay, so that others cannot misuse it. Okay, so how to lock it, we will see it. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Okay, then go to home screen, and here you will find one of the option called lock home screen layout. Okay, just to turn on this button so that you can prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. Okay, now go to the home screen and check whether it is locked or not. For example, I am going to move this one. Okay, but see here, it's not moved in. I am not able to, I am unable to move it. Okay, so because it is locked, okay, because of home screen locking, I cannot move it. Okay, or rename it, or I cannot uninstall it. Okay, so such mistake can be prevented if other person may use your phone. Okay, sometimes, and they may accidentally do such mistakes. Okay, so to prevent the such mistakes, it is important to lock your home screen layout. In this way, you can easily lock home screen layout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.